Hi students, good morning. Today we will continue our sixth lesson more on word part. Our first topic is test formatting. Test formatting means arranging the test in a document to make it more attractive. Word part includes test formats such as font, size, and color options. Let's see one by one. First one is font type. Font type means to change the style of our document. To change the style of a document, follow the given steps. Open WordPad window and type the data. Select the paragraph that we want to change font style. Then click on the font family from the font group. A list of available fonts will be displayed. From that list, we can select a font type. Now we can see that the selected text will be changed into a new font style. Next one is font size. Font size means to change the size of our document. To change the font size in our document, follow the given steps. Select the paragraph that we want to change font size. Then click on the down arrow of font size from font group. We can see a list of available font size. Then select a font size that we want. Now the selected text will be changed into a new font size. Next one is font color. Font color means to change the color of our document. To change the font color, follow the given steps. Select the paragraph that we want to change font color. Click on the Test Color button from the ribbon. Then select a color from the drop-down list. Here we select red color. Now we can see that the selected text color changes into red. Next topic is text alignments. Alignment means the arrangement of the text related to the selected page. There are four types of alignment options. They are left align, center align, right align, and justify align. Now let's learn how to modify the text to make it more attractive. Here we use bold, italic, and underline options from the font group. At first we discuss about bold. By using this icon, we can change the word into bold letters. To bold the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text that we want to make bold. Then click on the B icon from the font group. Now the selected text will be changed into bold. Next one is italics. By using the icon I, we can change the letters into italic letters. To italics the test, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text that we want to make italic. Then click on the I icon on the font group. Now the selected text will be changed into italic letters. Third one is underline. The letter U indicates underline. By using this icon, we can change the text into underlined letters. To underline the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text that we want to make underline. Then click on U icon on the font group. Now the selected text will be changed into italic letters. Some important shortcut keys are bold, Ctrl plus B, italics, Ctrl plus I, and underline, Ctrl plus U. Adding bullets in a text. To add bullets, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the list that you want to format as a list. Then step 2. Click on the bullets or numbering drop-down menu arrow in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Then step 3. Select the bullet or numbering style you would like to use, and it will appear in the document. To remove bullets or numbers from a list, select the list. Then again click on the bullets or numbering option. Printing a document. To print a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Then step 2. Click on the Print option and adjust all the settings as desired. Then step 3. Select the number of copies you wish to print and click on the Print button. Our last topic is exit the document. After completing and saving your work, you can exit the WordPad software. The steps to exit the WordPad are as follows. Step 1. Click on the WordPad button on the top left corner. Step 2. From the drop-down list, click on the Exit option. This will close the WordPad window. Dear students, it's time for wind up. Thank you.